Everybody, I am back with my friend Kuya Miguel. He's also, I'm playing with Kuya Miguel.
Hi, what's up, bro?
We're doing Battle
Patrol.
Yal.
Yeah.
Wait, wait, are you teaming up? Wait, are we teaming up or no? Why is even your name Real James?
Oh my freak.
We're just gonna start now. We're just gonna.
Bro, do you want like sniper?
Yeah,
Sniper?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, let's land over here.
Ah,
Let's go to this left.
papadon ako rin. Dakong lagi ito. Papadon ako rin. Ha?
Bro, let's go to this place. Let's go to this place. Let's go to this place. Let's go estate. Kuya Miguel!
Oh, ito.
Bro!
Ako ra.
Bro! Oh.
Oo, kaayo.
Bro! Bro!
What?
I couldn't hear you because you're...
Why is your voice double?
Because you turned on friend. I mean microphone.
I'm not using microphone.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Okay, there. Finally, one voice. I'm transferring the leader in the last second.
Can I be leader?
Why do you keep... Bro, it's my turn to be jump leader.
No, I haven't been leader for years.
Trap deployed.
Please.
Time for the mission.
Bro, can I be the
Mama,
Why are you trap master, bro?
I don't know why. I'm just gonna kill myself and then like respawn with another ability. I don't know how I'm gonna do that.
Guys. So you can disappear in a moment.
Wait, Ski Town. I wanna go to Ski
No.
Town. How about Overgrown?
No, we're not doing overgrown.
Nuclear plant?
No.
What?
I'm gonna point it.
We can land here. There might be some good
Farm.
supplies to sweat.
Oh, farm? We're going in 3, 2, 1.
There's a one because there's a shotgun in there.
I want one.
I'm going down. You go up. You're up. Go up.
Wait, I'm down. I'm
Be
down.
careful there. Be careful there.
Wait, you're also down.
Yeah.
But you're far away from me.
I know. Are you in what's this called?
Oh my god. I found... Wait, what's this? I found LK blah blah blah. I don't know to...
You mean MK 100 for 50?
I'm trying to find like a shotgun.
I'm trying to find shotgun.
Same. Why can't I get up this? It's like
Wait, I found shotgun, but it's so bad.
What's
the
up? Bro,
Yo, Sander.
what?
Later, give me money. I will buy Arsenal.
What do you mean later? Give me money. In real life or in game?
In the game.
Oh.
I'm gonna buy
Oh,
Arsenal.
I found BY15.
Oh, give me.
No.
You don't even know how to use them.
Yes, I do. Sniper ammo. Even though I don't have sniper, I'm still getting it.
HP fire the shotguns in the
I
VR.
don't wanna.
Bro, but if you are gonna do one tap ads in the shotgun, it's so bad.
But I
Hit the
don't
enemy.
know what to do. One,
It's
I mean,
you're
I
gonna
don't
have
know.
bad aim, bro.
Oh,
You're
wait.
gonna have bad aim.
Bro, our ride is right here. There's literally two of us.
Granny mobile.
Granny mobile. It's gonna crash.
Listen to small granny, she's gonna die.
Granny mobile activated.
You know this song? It's a heaven song. Like rest in peace, my granny, she got hit by a
Oh.
yeah, think about it, every time I hit the hookah.
Yup.
Kaboom.
Yay, I got shotgun ammo.
Then my room trying to teach my little sister. And I'm hot there, that's kaboom. It sounded like a whistle. Oh, that granny, she done.
There's a Type 19.
Type 19?
Yeah.
Oh,
There's somebody approaching.
that's bad. I have somebody. That's
I'm using my shotgun.
The enemy down.
Are you good
Oh,
at
one shot.
Are you good at BL? I'm good at BL now. I'm good at low. I'm good at locals. And I'm good at BL.
Same.
Let's 1v1 later after this match.
Okay.
Okay.
That's gonna be the video's like last thing we're gonna do.
Yo,
Fire sale
I'm so
starts in
good.
1 minute.
My like MP like sensitivity is so good. It's so light,
You're a
it's so
K9.
perfect than yours. Because I watch pro tips to get realistic like.
Bro, don't do that because it will drain your battery more.
No, it's not. It's not like like the settings like the basic like you go max.
What? What is it then?
It's the sensitivity and you're gonna die because my internet is so good in the MP.
Wait, somebody's approaching again.
I don't care. Resume my I got the best one. I'm the best one. I'm the best here. I'm the strongest, bro.
I got 2 kills. How many you got?
What?
How many kills you got?
What? How many you have?
How many kills?
I said how many you have?
I said how many kills do you got?
How about you?
I got 2.
I got 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, bro, wait for me. I forgot our ride.
No need.
Somebody's called down.
Enemy down.
You know Holy Father?
Yeah. Basically, he's a Filipino. He's basically a Filipino. He's Filipino.
Yeah, he's Filipino.
If you guys know Holy Father, he 1v1 Gaines and then wait, I think it's not Gaines, I think.
You guys, do you know Holy Father? Did you know we like when I was playing in Battle Royale when Sander was not playing with me, oh my god guys, it was the insane moment because in my team I have Holy Father, the real one. Bro, stop! Oh my god, give me my ammo back.
Okay, stop it. Bro, that's a ride! Okay, fine, I give you it.
Give me
Apa?
more. Bro, that was my only survival. Oh my god.
Bro, just get on!
Wait.
Bro, I'm leaving you.
Leave then. If you leave me, I'm gonna blow up the whole thing.
Okay, just get up. Just get down here.
Fire sale starting 1 minute.
Oh, bazooka. Yeah,
Don't worry, I know how to drive.
Drive. Come on, delete the
Airdrop is
kibaw.
coming.
You just why you crashing?
Don't worry, I know how to drive. Even though we
Oh my-
flip over.
Go. Buy station. We're gonna buy Arsenal.
Perfect.
Where are you going? I'm going to the buy
We're going
station.
Arsenal. We're going by station. How do you even get out? We can't. Oh,
Oh, I have a way. Make way.
make way.
You were gonna buy Arsenal. I'm gonna drop it. Okay, let's go.
Holographic
Where are you?
airdrop is delivered.
What do you mean? I'm here, bro.
Why are you using Trickster or something?
I'm using Trickster because today's video I'm gonna use like you already know. It's shotgun, bro. I'm gonna use shotgun.
No, bro. Don't.
I'm so good at shotgun, better than you.
Airdrop is coming.
Wait, I think somebody's here. Somebody's here. Somebody open this.
I don't care.
Okay, somebody actually opened it.
Okay,
Arsenal.
crouch down, bro. Go to the
I'm buying Plus Driver.
Plus driver. That's not even important. Let's go. Come here.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Somebody here.
Engaging the enemy. Enemy down.
Give me. Oh my god.
Watch out. K9 unit.
Oh no.
Wait,
Go. Oh, he has AK-117.
Oh, bro, I died. There's three. There's one with Road Manager. Oh my god. Okay, let's do the 1v1.
Oh my god.
Let's just do the 1v1.
What?
Let's just do the 1v1 or something.
Wait, Thunder. You don't have class tomorrow? Or you have?
I don't.
Is it your vacation today now?
Yeah, it's the last day.
Yeah. It's a vacation na to Sunday kay pwede ka magkuan ka kanang ikaw vacation na to kay we're gonna like sleep over.
Oh wait, that's actually smart. We're gonna do that at Sunday.
That's a great idea, right?
Yeah, I know, right? Let's just do the 1v1.
Yo, it's so good. Let's like to add look, how about this DL and Locust and
Mate! Make way! Man!
Cold-hearted girl, don't make me hurt this anymore.
Why are we doing today?
You know this song, it's so I used to like edit, but I don't know how to edit now. I edit like Gojo edits. Pag sa una, like the baby, yes. Sander,
I saw your videos, by the way.
Sander,
What?
I'm gonna use my body and okay?
Why, okay.
And I'm gonna turn into my good DL now, okay?
Okay.
It's so slow.
You just, I think you just said, wait, what if we do a, wait, what if we do a video like, what if we do a video?
Yeah, I'm doing it. Oh,
Do a video where we act like bots and then we just turn into good snipers.
oh, wait. Okay. Lock in.
Just
Main
click on
account.
video.
Main.
Seren's
Lock
no
in.
skin.
H2.
Oh, okay.
Lock in. I'm locking in.
Wait, is that Locus?
No?
Nah, bro's good at Locus. Wait, what's that? How did bro wall bang?
Every time you
Wait.
every time you
Yo, bro, I actually cried like 4 times at school because I still want my friends. When your school friends leave you. Bro, I don't have ammo.
Ta 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 ta. I know.
Bro, did you know I have Uno reverse card?
Lock in. I need to reload. Stop shooting. I'm still reloading.
Wait, Uno reverse card.
Uno reverse.
Uno reverse card.
Uno reverse.
Wait, yep, he's using Locus. And how did you get your account back? How do you have Locus Carbon card?
I have my account back.
That's when I noticed. It was at this moment I realized that he got the his new account.
Lost the lead.
I'm done with that account. I was faking. I know what my password on the I got my account back. I was just faking at that time. You know that I have an account like the poor one. Like I'm so bad at it, right? No, why you spawn camping, bro?
No, I'm not.
No, bro, spawn camping.
I'm not.
Shotgun time.
No!
Just to let you know, shotguns is like free. You can do shotgun.
I'm still scared. I'm still scared of shotgun. I'm still scared of shotgun.
That moment he knew he no.
I'm still scared of shotgun.
Wait, sir, one with something.
Santo. What's a balloon trick? Is that KRM?
That's HS. This is HS.
And how did I download your skin?
This balloon trick.
Yeah.
No, you don't steal, okay? You can't pick up weapons.
Oh. I actually downloaded it. I don't know how.
You don't. I hate you.
I mastered shotgun, bro.
Okay. We're doing assault.
Where are we doing assault? Wait.
Wait.
Can you kill me? Can you kill me?
No, we're doing sniper. Wait sa san. Okay. Wait sa Sander kay mag-lotion sa ko. Don't cheat. Ay Sander, ayaw go.
I misclicked.
Sander, cheater. Go away.
I want to scare you.
Give me free kills, bro. Give me. Oh my god, I hate you.
Okay, fine.
Give me free kills. I said, give me free kills.
Okay.
We didn't give. I only need 2 kills, okay? 2 kills, bro. I said, give me free kills,
Why do you have 3 line rifles?
bro. It's the second best. Like,
Sniper.
where are you? Yeah.
You already
give me the
killed me twice.
No, you killed me triple. So give me. I hate you. This is why I don't like you.
That's your wapo.
You know what? You're gonna get it. You know what? You're gonna get it. I know it. You're gonna get it.
He's assault rifling.
I hate you.
7 to 17.
Okay. You owed me a triple kill, so I'm gonna earn it myself. Since you're so naughty, I'm gonna beat the hell out of you.
Wait, was that teleportation? Oh, never mind.
I'm gonna beat the hell out of you.
Bro, what are you even using? GMP, huh?
Oh, what? You are cheating. I said like, oh my god, since you don't listen to me, you get it.
You know what? I kinda know how to make the shotgun. Bro, don't rage, bro.
So don't rage.
Stay calm, don't rage.
Oh my god. Oh, you get it. I know you get it.
Nah, bro. Yo, bro, wanna play Uno cards on this? Wanna play Uno cards?
But I don't.
Wanna play Uno cards on this? Sleepover?
I hate you forever. Never. Nah, take the free kills, bro. Nah, I'd win.
Sitcom.
I'd win.
Sitcom. Ah! I see. Is that your
Nah, I'd win. Where are you, nigga? Nigga, where are you? Nigga, are you? Nigga, where the hell?
Oh, BP eruption. Plus BP eruption. Hey!
Nah, I hate you for. Nah, you get in it. It's enough.
Carbon cut. Hey, give me that.
Give me that.
Bro, you're
Bro,
raging
you're
right
raging
now.
right now.
Perfect.
Why are you cheating, bro?
No, I'm not cheating.
Mission failed. Next time.
Wait. Nakuan.
Bye, everybody.
Uy, check. Wait, sa.
What?
Wait, sa.
What?
I said wait.
What?
Wait, sir. I have to check something. Naku, i-check.
What are you gonna check?
Something.
I'm gonna play Mobile Legends after this.
What are you doing in Mobile Legends? That's so bad. Wait. I'm almost, okay? And there. Almost na, okay? Okay, ready na.
I don't wanna. Bye, everybody.